Go to the website, lms.kiet.edu.pk. Click Login as faculty, enter username and password and press Login. Go to Class Attendance. Select ClassID to mark attendance. Select Session Date from drop-down. Already Mark Attendance will display record. Choose Unmark Attendance of your session from the drop-down. Click Mark Attendance. Present is AutoMark. Now mark those students who are absent and click Save. Record has been saved. You can reset attendance by changing status, either present or absent. Click on Attendance Sheet Report to view your session report. Thanks for watching.